The beauty of making your own handmade soap. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Savon Handcrafted Soap. Today, we will make a lather test sa mga sabon na ating ginawa in the past. So, this is coffee ground exfoliating soap. Ito naman yung ating loofah scrub milled soap making. So, mayroon itong loofah sa loob. So, ito try natin siya. And this one, ito yung tea tree rosemary. And our 100% goat milk. We have also this is chamomile. So yung link guys, ilalagay ko sa description below if you want to see again how I make this soap. And this is all natural color handmade soap. So gumamit ako dito ng all natural colorant in soap making. Our lather test, cold process soap, and our popular papaya melt and pour soap. Let's start with 100% goat milk soap. Yan, babasain natin ang ating kamay. So, irarab ko siya. Ayan. Napaka-soft. Imagine this is all goat milk soap. At maganda ito guys sa ating balat, lalo na sa face. Ayan. Super creamy. Tapos yung bubbles niya, malalaki rin. So, and ilalagay ko guys sa description kung paano gumawa nitong goat milk 100%. Kung paano gumawa ng 100% goat milk soap. You can watch again my video. Super, I'm happy. Super nice. Ayan. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Next is natin yung tea tree and rosemary. Look at this. Ang bango, ang bango ng rosemary, combination ng rosemary and tea tree. Very what do you call this? Very relaxing smell. Oh my goodness, I love it. Ayan guys, super nice. Look. The beauty of making your own handmade soap, talaga naman ramdam mo yung oil, yung smoothness ng lather sa iyong balat. Oh, I'm happy. This is good. Ayan guys. Super bubbles. Love it. Tea tree and rosemary. Very relaxing, energizing scent. Wow. Nice, diba? Ilalagay ko rin sa link guys sa description kung paano gumawa nito, or you can find this tea tree rosemary soap. Yan. Okay, that is our rosemary tea tree. Next, we'll try our loofah. Tatandaan niyo guys, loofah milled soap. Ayan. That's 3. So, ito ay mayroon akong nilagay na loofah sa loob. hand-milled making soap naman ito. So, so we will not be dealing with lye solution here. Kasi dati ng sabon, so grenade ko lang siya, tapos naglagay tayo ng lupa sa loob. So again, you can watch this lupa soap making. Ang bango. So hindi ako gumamit ng scent kasi yung sabon na ginamit ko dito ay Dove. So unscented siya, pero may amoy pa rin siya, mabango pa rin. So yan, nakaka-scrub kasi meron siyang lupa panghilod. So sabay hilorin nyo na rin yung inyong balat, ang inyong katawan. Oh, ang ganda sa pakiramdam. Yan, nice. Another beautiful handmade soap, lupa soap. Okay, next isunod naman natin guys ang this is chamomile. So mayroong dried chamomile flowers. So these are all yung mga additives na ito, pampaganda sa sabon, nakakadagdag beauty sa inyong sabon. Yan. Smell chamomile. Cute and mabango. So they're all the same. They're almost all the same pagdating sa lather. Because all this soap mayroon siyang castor oil na nagpapabula sa sabon. At higit sa lahat, it's very moisturizing. See? It's creamy. Creamy. Very creamy. Ayan. Oh my goodness. I love them all. Look at that. So, that is our chamomile soap. So, i-rinse ko mabuting aking kamay para talagang makita natin yung bawat isa. Makita natin ang bawat lather ng bawat isang soap. Next, isunod natin ang ating exfoliating coffee ground. Ayan. So, dito guys, gumamit ako ang aking liquid dito ay yung rice water. Look at that. Irarab mo lang siya. Yan. So, yung coffee ground, panghilo din. Exfoliating. So, ang ganda. Ayan. Yung feeling na hinihilod ang iyong balat. Ayan. So, very safe ang ating exfoliating kasi gumamit tayo ng natural ingredients which is coffee ground. Ayan guys, so nice. It's okay na may color yung iyong water kasi nga ito ay real coffee. So, it's so good again. Look at this. So, I suggest guys, make your own handmade soap. Mapapawaw kayo at I am very sure it will give you a pleasure. Ang inyong balat, matutuwa ang inyong balat. Oh, diba? So nice. So, ito ang ating coffee ground exfoliating soap. Again, you can watch again how I make this soap sa aking mga videos, and I will put the link sa description, or you can watch it on all, so you can check my videos on how to make all this soap. Okay, that is very good. Ayan, i-rinse ko ulit ang aking kamay para walang daya. Okay, next, we will go on our next soap. Itong sabon na to guys, gumamit ako ng all natural colorants like paprika, spirulina, Ayan. So, let's see this. So, gusto ko makita kung yung bula ay mayroong nagli-leave ng color. Ayan, medyo hindi siya super white yung bula. Hindi siya super white kasi nga ito ay mayroon natural colorant. Ayan guys. So, medyo brownish yung ating bula. But it's okay. It will not hurt your skin. So, mayroon itong turmeric. It's so creamy. Look at that. Beautiful. It's all beautiful. Yan. So, ang ating mga ingredients here, guys. Coconut oil, olive oil. We have sunflower. We have shea butter, cocoa butter. So, it's all good oils. So, look at that. It's all good. Walang itula kadigin. Lahat. I'm happy with the result. Super nice. See that? See that? Ayan. Next. So, lahat ng mga naunang pinakita ko guys ay cold process soap. And this time, gusto kong i-try ang ating melt and pour papaya soap. Tadaan! Wow! So, i-compare natin yung bula nito sa cold process soap. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so ang napansin ko sa melt and pour, medyo kailangan mong i-rub ng matagal-tagal ng konti para makita natin yung lather. Ayan. Okay, this is good. So, ang melt and pour guys, you will not be using lye solution. You will not be needing lye solution in making melt and pour soap. So, bibilhin mo lang siya online, yung melt and pour, and then you can add it additives of your choice, like avocado, and this one is papaya. You can also make calamansi. I'm sure you can make calamansi soap. Ayan, pino, very ang tawag dito, yung kanyang bula ay pino. How do you call this? Hindi malalaki yung bubbles. Very creamy. It's so nice. It's so nice to know yung difference ng melt and pour and yung cold process. So everything are good. So good. So you can pick and choose. You can make melt and pour, or you want to make cold process soap. So let me know guys, so anong inyong comment, which soap do you like? Is it melt and pour, or do you want cold process soap? Whatever you choose guys, it's all good because these are all natural at wala tayong harsh chemicals na ginagamit. Ayan. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel guys, please like, share, and subscribe. It will help grow my channel. Salamat sa inyong support and see you sa next video. Thanks for watching. Ayan, maliligo na ako. With all this soap, gagamitin ko lahat ng sabon na ito. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone.